Probably about 35 years I've been collecting. I started at around 12 or so. We would spend our summers riding our bicycles up and down the roads, picking up cans that we would find as kids. We would find Bush, Falstaff, Black Label, and finding these old cans and cleaning them up, give us something to do, keep us out of trouble. One of the organizations that I have joined is the BCCA, the Brewery Collectibles Club of America. And it's just a group of collectors that collect all different types of Breweriana. And it basically is a term that a lot of us collectors have dubbed that is anything related to whatever a brewery may use, whether it is coasters, the cans, bottles, labels, even so much as sometimes the guys will even collect the order forms of material and stuff. So if it was in a brewery, there's somebody out there that is collecting that type of stuff. The great thing about joining these clubs and organizations is the fact that you find other people that collect the same thing. It is a brotherhood of guys that like to collect things related to the beer industry. Basically, after I had so many cans, you try and find a way to display them. You want them to be a conversation piece, and so when people come down for social occasions, it is very interesting, you know, just some of the local stuff. Progress beer out of Indianapolis, it's a tough label to find, and when you flip it over on the back, it actually shows you how to open the can. And a lot of people, they're younger than about 40, 45, have never seen this opener. This is called a church key. We get into the breweries, which they're very unique out of South Bend, in my opinion. A lot of different things that they did to try to market their beer. These cans up here, you can see that they had all the horoscopes in several different colors. The cone tops were mostly used for the smaller breweries that could not afford a canning line. They would adjust the height on their line, and then they could use their bottling line and just put in these cans. I love some of the artwork from the 40s and 50s. There's some artwork from cans out of Cincinnati and Lafayette, Indiana. Tavern Beer has got some beautiful artwork. The people that don't collect are amazed at some of the artwork, some of the sayings, some of the stuff that they did to promote their cans and their product. It's just a lot of fun seeing people look at it and absolutely amazed. They didn't realize there were this many brands of beer